you need to have a clear refund policy in your contract. And just remember that a no refund policy is a refund policy. And it's generally the least problematic policy, surprisingly. That way, you're kind of leaving it up to your discretion as to whether or not to offer a refund.
Yeah, we sometimes say you can always be nicer than your contract says.
Yes.
You don't have to enforce it to the letter. But we do see sometimes that folks, we always ask about this when we're working on a contract, what's your refund policy? And some people say, well, I don't give refunds, so there's no refund policy. And we're like, no, you need it. You need the refund policy in there to make clear that you do not give refunds. Otherwise, it's kind of left up in the air.
Exactly. And you're not contractually obligated then to offer a refund if the clients meet the, appropriate conditions. Keep in mind though, as you know, that offering like a money back guarantee or something is a marketing tool. So you kind of have to weigh that against having a no refund policy. If someone sees a program that has a money back guarantee versus no refunds under any circumstances, it's a little more risky to go with the no refund policy. But it just makes things a lot easier on you if you have to start enforcing these things, if you anticipate refunds, refund requests and things like that. It's not just carte blanche to never give anyone their money back. I know Autumn can speak a little bit to this.
Yeah, what we have seen when we have a client come to us with an unhappy customer asking for a refund, sometimes they actually kind of have a point that they didn't get everything that was promised to them. So let's say the coach was sick and missed a call, or the system broke and so they couldn't deliver, some promised deliverable. Just because you have a no refund policy does not excuse failing to deliver. That's basically a breach of contract. And so that those rules don't go away just because you have a no refund policy. Now, they're probably not entitled to a full refund if you didn't deliver, one little piece, but just kind of keep that in mind that it's not like a get out of jail free or a carte blanche to have a no refund policy.